Understanding the recent PlayStation Network outage, causes, impact, and current status. Welcome to Eye2Future. On February 8, 2025, Sony's PlayStation Network, PSN, experienced a significant global outage, disrupting services for gamers worldwide. This incident prevented users from accessing online gaming, the PlayStation Store, and their accounts. Do you know what happened? The outage began around midnight in the UK, affecting various PSN services, including online gaming. Players were unable to join multiplayer sessions or access game servers. PlayStation Store. Users faced difficulties purchasing or downloading games and content. Account management. Access to user profiles and account settings was disrupted. Over 71,000 gamers reported issues, expressing frustration, especially during high-activity weekend events. What is the possible causes? While Sony acknowledged the problem and stated they were working on a resolution, they did not provide specific details about the cause. Historically, such outages can result from technical glitches, unexpected system errors, or software bugs. Server overloads, high user traffic leading to server capacity issues. External attacks, cyber attacks like distributed denial of service, DDoS. However, as of now, the exact cause of this outage remains undisclosed. Impact on gamers. The timing of the outage was particularly disruptive due to scheduled events. Games like FC25 and Call of Duty had special tournaments and promotional activities planned. Subscription costs. With PSN membership fees ranging from £13.49 monthly to £119.99 annually, users felt the downtime was unjustified. Social media platforms were flooded with memes, jokes, and complaints from frustrated users. Current status. As of now, the PlayStation Network's status page indicates that all services are up and running. However, it's advisable for users to monitor official channels for any updates or potential issues. While the recent PSN outage caused significant disruption, services have been restored. Sony has yet to provide detailed information regarding the cause of the outage. Gamers are encouraged to stay updated through official PlayStation channels for any further developments. Please share, like, and subscribe for more updates on technology.